Every day you woke up, you have one job to be better than yesterday. So get out of the bed and move your body to be healthy, happy and wealthy. You have to work for being wealthy. But to look after your health, in this video I will discuss on a highly nutritious health drink called Oriflame Nutrishake Perfectly Balanced Nutrition. First of all, this is not a promotional or a paid video, and as a medical practitioner, the intention of this video is to give you the proper scientific information based on my knowledge and review from my patients. So keep watching. The formulation of Nutrishake is purely natural and in optimal balance, just how nature intended us to eat. The formulation includes 3 excellent protein sources: pea, whey and soya, and healthy soluble and non-soluble fiber from sugar beet for healthy nutritional intake. This enables the body to maximize the intake of essential ingredients in order to support the body in the best possible way. 3 vegetarian protein sources promote optimal cell functions, and optimal relationship between the protein, fats and low carbohydrates helps our body and blood sugar level to remain stable. Based on research, it was found that the original formula is the result of more than 8 years of extensive research in Sweden, where the product originally focused on improving patients' recovery after lung or heart transplantation or any heart disease. But after that, numerous benefit has been found and observed globally. One of the major benefits of this nutritious shake is its low glycemic index. The carbohydrate in the Nutrishake formulation are based on apple, rosehip and whey milk. It is formulated to slow uptake and to maintain a stable blood sugar level, which indicates that it is safe for diabetic patients. Again, it also contains apple, which is rich in pectin, which in turn is good for the mucous membrane in the bowel, ultimately helps to ease or helps in constipation. It includes rosehips, which are rich in vitamins and sugar beet fiber, important for keeping the digestive system healthy and functioning properly. It has no artificial color or preservatives, and it is 100% vegan and gluten-free, which ensures that the product which can be consumed by any age group. Now, how to consume it? First of all, add 50 ml of water and put 1 scoop or 18 grams of the product. You can put some fruits like apple, banana, although those are optional, and then add 100 ml of milk and blend for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. A perfect, healthy, nutritious drink is ready to look after your body. It is an excellent product if you are planning to lose extra fat by maintaining healthy weight. Or if you want to gain weight, you can try this 2 to 3 times in a day with your normal food. If you want to know more about this product or want to get a flat discount, you can click on the link below, which I have given in the description. And if you find this video helpful, like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe the channel to get health and fitness related medical tips for free. Take care.